Welcome! Today we're going to look at clearing the unable to clean error, followed by a 2-digit code, on your Brother MFC-J5855DW. This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. The unable to clean error with 2-digit code appears if there is paper or other foreign objects stuck in your machine, or if your machine is experiencing a mechanical malfunction. We will begin by opening the scanner cover. Check the platen area and remove any ripped paper or other obstructions. Verify that all blue packing tape has been removed from the printhead. If the printhead is in the locked position on the right side of the platen, press and hold the red X on the control panel for 5 seconds. When the printhead moves to the center, check the right side of the platen for jammed paper. Gently slide the printhead left and right and check for paper scraps trapped underneath the printhead. Leaving the cover open, turn to the back of the machine and open the jam clear cover. Remove any jammed paper by gently pulling with both hands. Close the jam clear cover. Returning to the front of the machine, close the scanner cover. If the error message continues, unplug the power cord from the wall for 2 seconds. Then plug the cord back in. The error message should clear. Next, you will need to print a quality check sheet to verify that your machine is printing properly. On the touchscreen, press the ink icon. Then press Improve Print Quality. Now press Check Print Quality. Then press Start. If the quality check sheet prints successfully, the error is resolved. Press the Home button to return to the home screen. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.